to the TSC classroom. I am Tathagato. I will discuss a problem about dishonest dealer. Today is occurring almost in almost place. These types of questions comes in any exam like Rail Bank SSC, CDS, etc. To cope up these types of problem, we have to use shortcut or magical method. First, I shall show you the general method or conventional method. Today's problem is a grocer sells rice at a profit of 10% and uses a weight which is 20% less. Find his total percentage gain. I am reading again. A grocer sells rice at a profit of 10% and uses a weight which is 20% less. Find his total percentage gain. At first, we shall use the conventional method. The conventional method is, suppose the grocer bought X per kg. Then he sells at rupees 100x upon 100 per 80 by 100 kg. Since profit 10%, so he sells at rupees 110x by 100 per 80 by 100 kg, since 20% less, or 110x by 100 into 10 by 100 by 80 per kg, or at 11x per kg. Now percentage of profit is 11x by 8 minus x divided by x into 100 is equal to 300x by 8x, that is 37.5%. This is quite time taking method. If we use this conventional method, we can't answer almost of the questions. So we should use the magical formula or shortcut formula. These types of questions must come in any competitive exam. Now this stylish problem is a common in railway and police section. Now I will show the magical method or shortcut method. The shortcut method is total percentage profit is equal to percentage of profit plus percentage of less in weight divided by 100 minus percentage less in weight into 100. I tell you again. Percentage of profit plus percentage less in weight divided by 100 minus percentage less in weight into 100. Here percentage of profit is 10. Since there is a grocer sells rice at a percentage of profit of 10%. So percentage of profit is 10. Less in weight, here the less in weight is 20, because he uses a weight which is 20% less, divided by 100 minus percentage less in weight, 100 minus percentage less in weight, that is 20 into 100 is equal to 30 by 80 into 100, that is 300 by 8. That is, the answer is 37.5. This is the magical method. It takes quite small time to solve these types of problem. Students, you have to practice these types of magical method or shortcut method to cope up this examination. Nowadays, the percentage of pass mark is growing fast. Few years ago, 50% was the criteria to cope up this exam, but now at least 60% you have to score. So you have to use these types of magical method. I have a lot of shortcut. Any doubt you have to comment me in my comment box. Thank you.